Hello guys and welcome on board MSC Seaside here in Miami. I'm on board here with room 14072. I booked an inside guarantee. They gave me a balcony cabin, deck 14, starboard side on the right side of the ship as you're looking forward that way. Very close to the stairs and the elevator right there. And I just want to give you a tour of the cabin. All right, let's go inside and check it out. We've got a little wind tunnel action here. Okay, as we come into the cabin with thermostat. So like I was saying, I'm traveling by myself. Back-to-back cruises. I booked inside guarantee on both cruises. For this one they gave me a balcony. For the next one they gave me an inside cabin on deck 5, but that one's a 3-night cruise, no sea day. They just did some maintenance here on the balconies, cleaning, painting. This is all things that you have to pay for in case you drink them, and the prices are here. I've got the unlimited drink package, so I don't have to worry about it. The balcony is nice. They did paint, so to be careful. That's the wonder of the seas from Royal Caribbean. We are here in Miami. Right behind us is the Freedom of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. Very nice cabin. I'm very happy. Couldn't have asked for a better cabin. Close to the elevators, close to the stairs. Let's take a look in the bathroom, and then that'll be the end of the tour. We have the plastic door, which I like, as opposed to the shower curtain. So very nice. This will be my home for the next 4 nights. 14072 MSC Seaside.